Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. So today we're making an unaesthetic cooking vlog. Yes, your baby girl said so. We're keeping it real and unproblematic here. So come along with me and I hope you enjoyed this. So stay tuned and enjoy. Hey lovely. So today we're going to be prepping for the week. Yes, I've already done my chicken sauce. The recipe will be dropping soon. So sorry about that. So we're making a egusi soup now. I'm going to take you guys through the process. Then after that, we're making fried rice for work and genz dodo. So it's going to be a day filled with cooking. So I hope you loves are going to be here with me while I do that. You're going to keep your girl company. Hey, keep your girl company. So yeah, look at this.
After everything I've been to you, Chiki, can't you remorse back and you don't even think? Chiki, you don't even think. Tell me. Well, I get it. Yeah. Fully understood.
Watch your movies and prepping with this show for
Madam, I apologize for everything.
That one don't go now. You be correct there. And I don't say that my husband.
Wait a minute. Am I the only one that likes to cook just once a week? Or I have days where I'm like hyped, I want to cook, let's cook it, let's pack it up, and then sometimes I don't even want to enter the kitchen, just microwave and eat. Am I the only one? Is it laziness or what? Because today is one of those days like I just feel like cooking, I feel like doing everything, and it's actually easier, truthfully. Then tomorrow I might not even be in the mood to like get into the kitchen. I will just want to microwave food and eat. So that is why I make it ready. This reminded me something of why growing up, like this is of your siblings. And I'm doing with my food chest and joy. Hey, growing up, like this used to be war, because my sister then would call, oh, go and slice this, go and dice this, do this one. I really to put it in place and lay them out. I will now come and do it. So deep down, I see myself, me that did all the meal prep. Let's say we're cooking soup, I've cut the vegetable, I've washed the ugu, I've boiled the meat, I've blended the crayfish, I blended the egusi, just everything is done. Lay them out place by place. You now come and point it to the pot. Please, in the comment section, tell me who cooked the food. Me that did the job, or someone that just poured it into the pot and maybe tested for salt, that I'm still there with the person. And I'm like, oh, figin, this soup is so sweet. Oh, figin, toka, oh, so nice. And I'm like, me that did the job, no thank you, no very much. Like, is it fair? How many of you are going through that, or how many of us went through that? Because that was one thing I hated. And do you know what I would do then? Once I'm the one preparing and the rest, I'll just cook the food. Like, oh, you did not tell me, say yes, let me cook it, because I don't see how I'm the one boiling it, I'm the one doing this one, I'm the one doing this one, and then tomorrow they come and say you're the one that cooked the food. So let me cook the food. So if I make mistake, I'll take the, and then if they see mistake, they'll tell me, you do not boil this one, you will see me the one that doesn't. I say, hey, is it your man? She was using it to learn. You see, the blame is on you. But when the food turns out nice, you that prepared the whole thing, and I say, you just cut onions. I don't get it. Like, that thing used to be something I hate. I still I hated it with my food chest growing up. Like, it aches me. But how many of us have been through that, or how many of us are still going through it? Because tell me in the comment section. Couch keeping. Let's check it. Ooh. Yeah. So my soup is ready. I'm sorry. My soup is done. Look at that. The next one is fried rice. Then after fried rice, giz dodo. While I did today, I have a fried rice recipe. I'm trying to make fried rice and then start the giz dodo here. No time. No time. I have to multitask. So let's get this going. And then focus on the giz dodo. So allow this to boil. So my love, I hope you're enjoying this. If you've watched to this extent, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this is a quick method to make fried rice, but the recipe I have is for if you want your fried rice to last for like a longer time, but you can also use this method and it lasts for some days, you know, and the rest. So yeah, mix it all together and our fried rice is ready. So let's dish that thing. So please, how do you find this vlog? Do you make it like a series? Please drop your thoughts, your opinions in the comment sections. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe once again. Please help a girl grow her baby. Thank you, because I know you've done it already. And then look at this beauty. Oh, look at this. Come and eat. Your food is ready. Come and eat. Grab your spoons, grab your fork, whatever you eat with your hands. Wash your hands and come. Let's eat. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. You guys are the real deal. And if you want me to continue this weekly series of what's on the menu, what we're cooking for the week, and batch cooking and storing up, just do well to let your baby girl know. Till the next one. Bye.